In Islam, Ramazan, the 9th month of the lunar calendar, is the holiest month of the year. Muslims believe the Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, during Ramazan. Here is the 5 facts about Ramazan. 1. Ramazan is the month of fasting, which is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Muslims abstain from food, drink, including water, and marital relation during day-night hours. They also try to avoid negative behavior during this time, as it is a month of purification, contemplation and self-discipline. 2. Who is required to fast? All able-bodied adults must fast, with exception for those who are pregnant, menstruating, serious ill, or traveling. Those people may choose to make up their fast at another time. Exempt from fasting are elderly people, young children, and those with certain medical conditions that make fasting too difficult or dangerous. 3. Why do Muslims fast? The answer lies in taqwa, or God consciousness, or self-discipline. In chapter 2, verse 183 of the Quran, "You believe, fasting is prescribed to you as was prescribed to those before you, that you may attain taqwa." Holy Quran 2.183. 4. The end of Ramadan is celebrated with a 3-day festival called Eid al-Fitr, which is a time for family gatherings, feasting, and gift-giving. 5. The exact dates of Ramadan change each year because the Islamic calendar is based on the cycles of the moon. The start of Ramadan is determined by the sighting of the new moon, and it can vary by a day or 2 depending on the location. After 29 to 30 days, the end of Ramadan, the celebration of breaking the fast called Eid al-Fitr. It is celebrated on the first day of Shawwal, the 10th month of the Islamic calendar. During Eid al-Fitr, Muslims typically gather together with friends and family to attend special congregational prayers, exchange gifts, and share meals. It is also a time for forgiveness and reconciliation, as Muslims seek to strengthen their relationships with others and show kindness and compassion to those in need. We hope that this video has provided insight into the significance of Ramadan and the beauty of Muslim traditions. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a blessed and peaceful Ramadan Kareem.